Hello from Slovenia again. Today is the first day of my chakra series. I will do 7 deepened lips on 8 by 16-inch canvas, just with one flower. And because the first chakra, the root chakra, is red, today I will use some reds. I'm pretty sure that you can read all about the chakras online, but just for a little bit about the chakras, and the red chakra, also root chakra. The color red represents her, and red is a color of psychical energy, passion, courage, power, will, and desire. That's this root chakra is stable and grounding. Red symbolizes energy, action, confidence, courage, and change. And it brings passion and strength to your relationship, your life, your work. So, and it's the first chakra. So, you have to start working on your chakras, on the red chakra. I know that years back I had problems with my red chakra because I just didn't like red clothes, nothing. But since I'm pouring, I think that I really don't have problems with any colors now. So obviously my chakras are okay. So for my base, I will use Amsterdam Expert Series Cadmium Red. And why I'm using that one, if I would mix red with white, it would be pink, and I don't want pink. And this one is opaque, so hopefully it will be good for the background. So, because for a background color, it's really nice to have an opaque, not transparent or half transparent color, because more important, even with reverse flower dips or deepened lips, because you use a paper napkin and it can, you know, pull your paint off. Okay, my base is done. And now I will start doing my puddles. And I will use some black first. And of course I will do a deepened lip, just, you know, with one flower. So I will start with black for some contrast, and I am going for a minimalistic look. I will go a little, not perfect round, kind of. Okay. And next will be my pearl white. I hope that I will not get a lot of pink, but I want to have some white. And this one is Pearl Red Amsterdam. It's almost the same as Cadmium on the background, but it's half transparent, and this is 24 karat gold from Decoart. And the last one is Rust-Oleum Metallics Ruby. And I will repeat the process with the black and pearl white. And Carmine. And gold. And the ruby. Okay, colors are down. Now I will just grab my skewer and draw some petals, kind of. So this one is the first one of my 7 chakra series, and I kind of think that this all 7 together will look great on the wall. Maybe I'm wrong, but we will see, or we can have it individual. Okay, and now to the dip and lip. I sprayed my paper napkin with water, and I will put my napkin down in the middle of the flower, and the other half, and tap it. Maybe I should have done a little bigger flower, but now it is what it is. Okay, so let's leave that. And the background will level out while drying, so don't worry about that. I love to have bigger napkin because it's easier to manipulate with this part, you know, when you have to do a flower. Pen down. Okay. Let's forge this a little bit. I was hoping for more vibrant color, kind of, but it's okay too. So I will show you the close-up like that because it's easier for me to, you know, because it's elongated canvas and it's a little different to show the other way. You see what I'm talking about? I wish that I would have more of this red in the flower too, but it has to be a little contrasting, otherwise it will not stand out. So if you can imagine, this will be the first one, and next to it will be the yellow one and orange one, and all 7 of them. I think that it will look quite nice. So this is it for today, for my first of Chakra Series Deepened Lips, the red one, the root chakra. So we will start from the roots, of course, and see you on the next one. Bye!